Okay, so in this video, we're going to show everybody how to share your screen when you are spending time with your family. Let's say you guys have a document on your screen. They're looking at something similar, or maybe you have a form that you're trying to share with a family and explain to them how to fill it out, for instance. This is a great tool. It's called Share Your Screen. I show you how to do it. So basically, once you are in your meeting, you're all set up here. You got your window in the top left here. You can see yourself. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the bottom. On the screen here, you'll have mic, camera, and then you have another option that says screen. If you click it, what's going to happen is, I'll go ahead and click it right now. It's going to offer an option here to show your entire main screen, or you can show all of separate, separate applications that are running in the background, like Adobe Acrobat, for instance, my Finder screen, all that stuff. What I would suggest, you just keep it at screen, so it's showing your whole screen. It's just easier to work and easier to manage while you're doing your demonstration for your family. You also have to make sure you have everything that's on your screen is appropriate to be viewed. They can see everything that's on your screen, so be aware of that. Also, go ahead and click the share button. And from there, you're going to see a green outline that goes all the way around your screen. It'll box out your entire screen window. Basically, at the top here, it says you are sharing this screen. Now, over here to the right, you have your control panel. And you can see right here at the top, people can see your screen. Okay? So everything I do, for instance, I have the Notice of Inspection Rights form here. If I move it to the left, you can see it moves to the left on the screen, obviously. If I move it back, it moves back, okay? Something else to be aware of, you can actually pause the screen, what the family is seeing, by hitting this little pause button at the top here. Then it turns to yellow. It says sharing is paused, which means when you go to, let's say I move this form, as you can see on the screen, it does not move. It just basically takes the last frozen frame that was recorded and it keeps it still. So you can move things around, pull up the next form without confusing the family, what you're doing, okay? And it also tells you people can only see what you see in this window right now, okay? Very helpful. When you're ready to go back to continuing your demonstration with the family, you can hit that play button and it goes back to green. Again, now the screen is live and your family can see what's going on. Now, while this is all going on, you can also set it up where you can see your face and the family's face, okay? So over here on the control panel, on the right-hand side, it says view who's talking. I would suggest you click that, and then from there, you wanna hit everyone. And then from there, I can see myself, and if you have any other family members that are in the meeting, they will pop up below, directly below, or to the left or the right. So you'll still be able to see yourself, they can see your face, and you can see their reactions while you're explaining things. Now, something to keep in mind that, as you can see, there's a control panel here. The family does not see your control panel. So as you can see up here in the top, it looks like there's no control panel there. That's because to the family, they will not see your control panel. So just because you see this here on your screen, that does not mean that the family can see that. So don't worry about that. You're not blocking anything for the family, okay? One other thing I want to share with everyone here today. Let's say that I'm doing a demonstration with a family about this form, but maybe they don't see a certain portion of the form. Let's say I'm trying to tell them they need to checkmark box the family foster home section, but they don't see that part on the form. Well, what you can do is scroll up here to the top where it says Drawing Tools. And if you click Drawing Tools and you click the pen, now you have this really cool feature where you can draw on your screen. And as you can see up here on your control screen, what the family sees, they can actually see that drawing. So now they will be able to check mark the box. They know where it is, all of that. Now, let's say you're done with that and you need to remove that so it doesn't create any kind of confusion. You go back to your drawing tools at the top, and you're just going to simply hit Erase All Drawings. And just like that, it's miraculously gone. You have a variety of other choices, such as a spotlight. You can have a laser pointer and explain to the family, yeah, we need you to fill out this portion right here. Okay, they can see that point, okay, on their side of on their screen. When you're all done using either the highlighter, the spotlight, or the pen, you can actually hit pointer, and basically what will happen is it will go back to your control pointer, so you can actually start moving your document again. So that is the share screen option. Is extremely helpful. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Slack, and I would be happy to answer those questions. That's it for now. Thanks so much, and we will see you next time.